can you go to the board and write one of the, you can stop, sorry, one of the rhythms, T's and T's.
Write another rhythm?
No, write the, what it is in T's, T's and TT's, just one.
Wait, am I
Like, the first one is ticka ticka, right? So what's the next one? Oh, yeah,
Timka?
yeah, could you just write it underneath? Just to review, because I know I forget a lot what they are.
Is that too small?
That's fine.
Oh,
Could
you would
write
do it for all of it?
No, just one. Could you write a K? Is that right? Daniel, will you do the next one real quick? And then Ashley, will you do the next one after him? And Sheldon, do the next one after her. And then Isaac.
What is that?
Good, Tim.
Is it,
Ticka ticka.
is that an A or an I?
A.
Okay, sorry.
No, you're good. Could you go ahead and do the last one too? Thank you.
Is that a dot?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and go through this.
If that's a dot, wouldn't it be Tom? Tom.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, sorry.
Oh, no, you're fine. I would have put Tom too. It's all coming back to me now.
It's all coming back.
Reminds me of an 80s song.
Let's go through the rhythm real quick, just reading the top line and then the bottom line. 1, 2, ready, go.
Ticka ticka tim, guitar, tom.
T, T, go. Okay,
Oh,
sorry, yeah. Go to the first line and then second line, clapping and saying ticka tickas. Okay. And go.
Ticka ticka tim, guitar, tom. Tee tee tim.
Let's do it one more time. Clap this time, okay? And go.
Ticka ticka tim, guitar, tom. Tee tee tim.
Well, is the T tied to the top?
No.
No, it's just not.
Stand up. Let's keep the beat in our feet, so like we're marching. And go. Keep the beat in your feet while I do this. Can you all read that? Yes. Listen, keep on with the beat. Read the rhythmic phrase while we march. And go.
Ta 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 tim. Ta ta ta. Ta 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 tim. Ta ta ta. Ta 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 tim. Ta ta
One more time.
ta. Ta 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 tim. Ta ta ta.
Put in the body percussion this time with the tas and TTs. Ready, go.
Ta ta ta.
I mean,
Ta ta ta. Ta 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 tim. Ta ta ta. Ta 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 tim. Ta ta
One more time. Now look at your score. Where do you see that in your score? And your part 1, part 2, part 3. So wherever you see it in your score, highlight it in pink. I'm gonna highlight it in pink for you. So each time you see that specific motive phrase. And go ahead and highlight which part you are.
Okay.
Daniel, please. So part 1, part 2, part 3.
Right here. Oh,
No, just on our part.
okay,
Yeah.
I got you.
Just on your part.
What am I doing?
With the orange, highlight your part. So you would highlight part 3.
Does it count as our beat?
Oh, I see.
Starts in 3. Yeah, if it's off beat, it's fine. So if it starts in beat 3, it's also correct.
Oh, dang, there's a third page.
Okay. When you're done, keep the beat in your feet again. And march. Did you get all that? Yeah. You are on a roll. I'm impressed. This is 990. That makes sense. When you're done, keep the beat in your feet. Look at the second rhythm, second line, up on the board. And clap the rhythm and say toss and TTs. Ready, go. Let's try it again. Ready, go. Repeat it this time. You can do it, Gabby. Come on with the toss and TTs. Good. Now this time, where do you see that phrase in your music? Like for part 1, where do you see it starting? Yes. So each time you have those rhythms, highlight in blue.
Any of those rooms or just the whole thing?
Any of those, well, the whole thing, it just repeats over and over again.
Oh, the four bar
They
thing?
don't really have.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Because you have it.
We can post it.
Well, yeah.
Yes.
So just start
The four.
here. So any of
And
them,
then next.
Oh, okay, okay.
just any of them.
This is still part of.
So then part 2 starts in measure 3. Yeah.
Oh, that's.
Yeah, and
In there.
yeah.
This time, keep the beat still on your feet, marching. And we're gonna each be on our own part, starting at the beginning.
Okay.
Ready? But on the score, so Daniel, if you can see that. Can you? Okay, cool. Ready, go. Stop this time. Let's start at the beginning and do TAs and TTs with it, just so we know exactly where we are with the beat. And for knee pads, anytime it says knee pads, let's go ahead and clap, just since we're standing and keeping the beat in our feet, because that's a lot easier, right? Okay. So keep the beat.
Count first, just count.
Count it and do the body progression.
Okay.
Should I slow down? Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Ready, go. Still do the body percussion, guys.